So good morning to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about FCS software share. So previously, when we had done the complete technical analysis, we have discussed all the important supports and resistances. So in the last session, that is on Friday, we have seen the stock has given a very good reversal from the continuous lower circuit and it has closed in that upper circuit zone. So despite market volatility in the recent times, we know market was also not stable. We have seen ups and downs. So Nifty has come below 17,000. Again, it has gone up. So because of various global market cues, so markets were also very volatile. And we know budget is also very nearby. I think in the next week itself, we are having the budget session. So because of all these reasons, all the stocks are becoming very volatile. So you need to be very cautious and you need to invest according to your risk appetite. So let's discuss about FCS software in today's video. We'll do the complete technical analysis and we'll see what are the best levels for having a fresh entry and what can be the near-term targets. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. And most importantly, do join the Telegram group because in Telegram, we'll discuss all the instant updates followed by stocks for intraday, swing and long term. I'll provide a link in the description followed by comment section. Okay, so first let us start our discussion on weekly charts related to FCS software solution. So in the previous videos, clearly I've mentioned that this particular stock will try to do the gap filling in the weekly chart time frame. So what is that gap filling? So clearly if you see the technical charts, I've marked this 6 rupees level. So between this 6 and this particular zone, you can see a small gap is being generated. So I clearly mentioned the stock will try to fill that particular gap and again the buyers will start generating that buying momentum. So despite whatever the market situation is. So possibly yesterday we have seen it was in green zone. So almost all the stocks which are having a little bit of downtrend. So they have showed the opening. So buyers have entered. So they tried to take the stock in the upside direction. So same thing happened in FCS software solutions. Right. So since it has given a perfect closing, so candle is also looking very attractive. Right. So the next important resistance is going to be the 7 rupees zone. So it needs to break that 7 rupees and it needs to give a closing above it. So that is going to be very, very crucial. So after it does, we can see here also an upside, we have a gap. So where we have seen the gap down opening. So after filling that particular thing, we need to observe how the stock will react. So will it come down or again it will continue that journey? Because if we see the buying volume in FCS software, so that is not that high. It is little low itself. If you see after market or whatever after closing session also, if you see the pending buy orders, so those are also a little less. So there is a high chance that Monday also the circuit will get opened. So we need to see whether it will face that resistance near the 7 rupees zone or will it give a direct upper circuit. So that is worth watching. So we need to see. So if it does that, well and good. So we can see the stock clearly will start its journey in the upside direction. Okay. So this is in weekly chart. So let's even go to daily chart. Okay. So now if you observe the daily chart of FCS software solution, so you can see the same zone as I have marked, the 7 rupees level is going to be a little resistive zone for it. So why? Because already we have seen a wick was formed in that particular zone. So as I told, if it crosses that, if it gives a perfect closing above it, then definitely you can expect it to go up. So secondary thing is financials are also very important. So how the company is performing, fundamentals. So all these also matter. So we know about this stock. If you take the overall past history, so never it has gone above that 10 rupees zone, right? It was completely in a zone itself. Even it was going up, again it used to come down. It was completely in that sideways zone. So now if it comes out of it with some very good financials and fundamentals, definitely you can expect in long term you may get some very good return. So IT sector itself was down since the past few sessions. So now they have started recovering. So try to buy near the levels itself if you're interested. So just put small portion and leave it. So the levels wise, you can see first one resistive zone is 7 rupees, support is same, the 6 rupees level, and once it gives closing about that 7 and 7.5 rupees zone, so directly you can expect the stock will face the same resistance near the 8.50 rupees zone. So from where the stock may continue the uptrend. So keep these levels in radar. So any further queries related to this particular stock, you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.